I know you see what happened to your people. Stress and depression taking over like evil. Oh, Jah, we calling you. Jah, I know you see what happened to your people. Stress and depression taking over like evil. If stress was riches, poor man would be billionaire. Working hard every day, still not getting enough nowhere. We not looking for a handout, we looking opportunity. Good paying job, dignity, unity. But destruction and poverty everywhere we turn. When will the tables flip? When will we learn? I have the IQ of a genius, strength of a lion, but the harder I push forward, more of my dreams dying. When I think about the struggle, I'm a man, but I cry. Look up to the heavens, ask Jah why. Stay strong, hold firm, Jah will see us through. Hold firm, Jah will see us through. Oh, you say call on you when we weak and you strong. But how long must we suffer in Babylon? Some got billions, poor man don't got a dime. That's why I know to be poor is treated like a crime. Hold on, how long, Jah, how long we cry for bread, working every day, still can't rest our head. How long, Jah, how long this system wrong? Working class people just try and hold on. Be strong, Jah, hear our song long. It's time, hold on. So many dreams, but the finance is weak. Some can't find a meal, much less bed to sleep. How is it fair when wealth don't divide equal? So many lose their life because they born poor people. No insurance to pay the doctor bill. We don't get treatment, just swallow the pill. Poor is not accident, it's design. All treatment woven deep in the system line. Crooked foundation run by government greed. Poor man can't even own the land he bleed. Can't pay the rent, much less own